Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from Awesome Android Apps. Today we are going to show you one interesting app. This app name is SCOS3 or Spycam OS3. You can install from this app on your Google Play Store. I also give the link on this app on my description box. You can easily download from there. This app is a spy camera. You can take a hidden videos or make a hidden videos or take a pictures. Nobody can understand that you take their pictures or videos. It's a very useful app. It's 100% workable. It's work on the lock screen. When your phone is sleep mode, you open this app. Its app is workable. Please guys, subscribe this channel because we regularly post this kind of unique videos. Please guys, subscribe. Subscribe now.